2019, you guessed it. Today we are here to talk about American Detailer Garage Ignite. It's a ceramic detail spray. It should last you about 3 months, and I'm going to show you how to apply it because some people make mistakes. Check it out after this. All right, Ignite can be used as its own ceramic detail spray. It can last about 3 months or so, or it can be applied to an existing ceramic coating, PPF, glass, you name it. So I definitely like to recommend these to my clients. And what I have here is an auto fiber Korean plush 470, and it's a great plush towel that goes great with a ceramic detail spray. Now, one of the issues that we've been told that people have with Ignite is they spray it and it streaks. Well, I'm going to tell you, you're probably using too much product, or you're probably not doing it the right way. But I'm going to show you how to do that so that we can get streak free. Check this out. Okay, you can spray it into the towel, but we like to spray it directly in the panel, so we're going to set it to spray, not stream, and then we're going to mist it on to the panel. Now, a little goes a long way here. If you start putting too much on the panel, what's going to happen is the spray is going to sort of reject itself, so to speak, so that can lead to some streaking. This does smell really good, just like everything else from American Detailer Garage. So I'm going to fold my Korean Plush 470 from Auto Fiber into quadrants, and I'm going to go and I'm going to wipe this off. Now, if you can see on camera, you see it's got some streaks. That's okay. That's okay. So we're going to come back to it. I'm going to show you here in a second. So I got this side of the towel, right? I'm gonna flip that towel over so now it's completely dry, and I'm gonna buff the remainder off. We're gonna come back here now, and I'm gonna show you a little bit how well the water sheets and beads. You can see how nice that looks. Look at that. So again, American Detailer Garage Ignite ceramic detail spray can be used over an existing ceramic coating to maintain it, or PPF, or it can be used as its own sealant.